Welcome and congratulations. I am so excited that you are here for the Gen Ed Life Coaching online course. And the reason why I'm so excited is because while we at Gen Ed pour our hearts and our souls into making sure thousands of people can get value out of our YouTube channel, this is where we see true transformation and growth. This is where we get emails saying, hey, thanks to your course, I got into my dream school. I was able to ace all my classes and tests. I was able to make an amazing group of friends. It's from this content that we see the most dramatic shifts, and that's why we are so genuinely pumped that you are here. And I know that because we spent the last decades of our lives personally learning and internalizing the academic skills and mindsets that we teach. But in addition to that, we've coached this. Using our combined experience, Kevin and I have put together a life coaching curriculum in order to design the most optimal learning experience that combines watching, listening, and most importantly, executing. It's the combination of establishing the right habits and executing the right tasks that turn these academic and project management skills from something that you maybe do from time to time into something concrete. We're going to start by making it a more conscious process. That's necessary in any learning endeavor. When you're shooting a basketball, you gotta think, where does my hand go? How much power should I use? What angle should I shoot at? Am I doing this correctly? When learning, study, and life skills, these habits will be driven by principles that require us to spend a little bit of time thinking about and analyzing. It's going to be a challenge, but also immensely rewarding. Trust me. So, without further ado, let's begin.